Welcome back to your social class. I'm your social teacher Aisha. In this chapter, in this session, we are going to start with our agriculture. Everyone knows about the agriculture, but today we are going to learn something different about it. You know, agriculture is a backbone of our country. 51% people are dependent upon agriculture, right? So we need agriculture, we need food. If there is no food, can we have money? Can we have gold? No, right? We need food. So who grows the food? Farmer grows the food. So we should always respect farmers, right? We should always respect farmers and soldiers. There is a powerful slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. It is nothing but as farmers and soldiers should live healthy and longly. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. It's a saying. Then development of agriculture is also a progress of our country. Yes, development of agriculture is also a progress for our country. Now, agriculture means cultivation of land. What is agriculture? Agriculture means cultivation of land. Tilling the land, sowing the seeds, planting the putting the water and planting the trees comes under agriculture. It also includes horticulture, livestock rearing and fishing. So apart from cultivation of land, it also has included horticulture, livestock rearing and fishing. Okay. Agriculture is the main occupation of people of a country. You know, yes, agriculture is the main occupation. Yes, there are many farmers whose life is dependent upon agriculture. Okay, so they provide food for the people and raw materials for industry. Cotton is also from the plants, right? Even they have to grow cotton. Jute is also from plants. Even they have to grow jute, right? If they give cotton raw material to the industries, then only we can get clothes. Right, children? Now we have types of crops. These types of crops, they are only grown from the favorable conditions, children. As we have very good climate, as we have very good agricultural soil, as we have water. Okay, so our crops are grown very easily. Okay, so there are two types of crops, children. One is Rabi crop and one is Kharif crop. Rabi crops are those crops which are grown in winter season and Kharif crops are those crops which are grown in rainy season. Okay, I repeat, crops grown in winters are called Rabi crops. Crops grown in rainy season are called Kharif crops. Okay, now we have learned about this. Crops which grown in winter season, they are called Rabi crops. Crops which grown in rainy season, they are called as Kharif crops. Apart from this, we have food crops and cash crops. Ma'am, we have heard about this Rabi crops and Kharif crops. What is this food crops and cash crops? Food crops are those crops which we need at dairy. Dairy we have to have food crops. Cash crops are those crops which are sold to earn cash, like sugar cane will be used for Makar Sankranti and all, right? For some particular festivals or particular occasion, we use that. That are cash crops. And daily which we consume, they are food crops. Okay. Rice. So what are the food crops? Food crops are those. Food crops on what and all we have? We have rice, wheat, millet, and about each and every crop. So food crops are grown to feed the people. We'll consume, right? Food crops are grown to feed the people. They form the staple diet of the people. Staple diet means daily we have to consume it. We'll consume daily, right? Rice, wheat, pulses, millet and maize are the main food crop of India. Rice, wheat, millet, pulses. Now we are going to learn about it. First about rice. Rice is a Kharif crop. Rice is a Kharif crop, okay, which is mostly grown in the rainy season. Okay, it is grown in summer season. It is the most important food crop of India. It requires hot and humid climate. So rice requires hot and humid climate. Okay. Rice grown by transplantation method of most scientific. It is grown almost all over India, but the leading rice producing states are West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So to produce this rice, children, we need hot and humid climate as well as we need lot of water also. We need lot of water also. Okay, so some of the states which are producing is West Bengal, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Here you can find lot of rice being grown over there. They will produce lot of rice. India is largest area under rice cultivation. So our country comes under the largest area where we are cultivating rice, and in our country more than 4,000 varieties of rice are grown. So I said as if 4,000 varieties of rice are grown in India. So we have 4,000 different varieties of grown in India. For example, you can take in your kitchen also. Your mother will use for dosa idli different rice, for cooking different rice, for making some other special dishes different rices, right? Same. This is an example. So in our country, in our India, 4,000 of varieties of rice are grown. So India is the second largest producer of rice after China. First is China, who produce more amount of rice. Second comes India. Rice is cash crop in Punjab as it is grown mainly for sale. See, in our South India and all, rice is a staple food. But Punjabis, they prefer lot of wheat. They like to have lot of chapatis, rotis and all. And they will sell this rice because they don't consume much rice. They will sell this rice, so it is known for cash, mostly for cash crop. Next comes wheat. Wheat is the most producing and consuming countries of India. Is one of the, you right, everyone right, even me. Even we like to have chapatis, right? Wheat is one of the main meat producing and consuming countries of the world. So we Indians also will consume and produce the wheat. Wheat is a rabi crop. It is second most important food crop in India. After rice, wheat is the second most important crop in India. Only we'll have rice, no alternative days we have chapati, different varieties food made up of wheat also we will have, right? So where can we find this wheat? We can find this wheat in growing of wheat is in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat. Right, children? Then wheat is grown in mostly in wet climate, cool and wet climate. Rice is grown in hot and humid climate. Wheat is grown in cool and wet climate. Then we have millets. Millets are of course like a maize. They are coarse grains, children, like ragi and all. We have a small millets type ragi, bajra, jowar. We have heard about bajra roti, jowar roti. Most probably in North Karnataka, jowar roti, bajra roti, maize roti. This and all is found, right? These are all the millets. Okay, they can be grown in areas with less rainfall. Where there is a less rainfall, no, even there we can grow these millets. They are grown in Rajasthan. Yes, of course, Rajasthan has a less rainfall. Gujarat, some parts of Gujarat has a less rainfall. Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. And Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar. Jowar has been produced by more producer, which is done by Maharashtra. Okay. Then we have pulses here. Pulses are the edible seeds of various leguminous plants. Okay. Pulses, like you have for example moong dal, mama will prepare along with rice, moong dal, arhar ki dal or some tur dal and all she will prepare. No, that will come under leguminous pulses. Okay. These pulses can be grown all over India. Along with the rice, whatever the mama prepares, dals, no children, dals, moong dals, this, dals, etc. That are all leguminous which can be grown all over the country. Okay. So, okay, we have finished. Now we are going to study about the cash crops. So I said you cash crops which are used for commercial purpose and which is used to sell for earning purpose. Okay, so certain crops are grown in special forms such as plantations they will call. Okay, for example tea plantation, coffee plantation, rubber plantation. Okay, these are the plantation crops. Now if we come for the cash crops, sugarcane, jute, oilseed, spices, here are all the cash crops. Okay, they sell for the cash purpose. You know sugarcane is used to make sugar and jaggery. Why sugarcane is used to make? You will make sugar and jaggery from the sugarcane because it will be sweet, right? Sugar and jaggery will be sweet. So how they will make this sugar and jaggery? With the help of sugarcane. Okay, India is the largest producer of sugarcane. We Indians will produce large amount of sugarcane in the world. Sugarcane requires fertile soil. They need a good fertile soil. Hot and moist climate we need. Okay, with plenty of water. Okay, they need lot of water. If you want to grow for sugarcane, first of all you need fertile soil, then you need hot and wet climate, that is moist climate, and then you need lot of water to grow for sugarcane. So where in all we can grow for sugarcane? First of all, sugarcane is grown in Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, mostly in south states as well as in Uttar Pradesh. Next we have jute. Jute is a natural fiber. It is also known as golden fiber. Okay, jute is one of the important natural fibers and it is also known as golden fiber. Where and all we will use this jute, children? To make bags, to make ropes, to make carpets. We need jute. Jute is also needs lot of water to grow, as well as fertile land and high temperature, hot temperature they need. Where and all we can find this jute, children? West Bengal, Assam, Bihar and Odisha. Okay, then West Bengal is the largest producer of the jute. West Bengal grows large amount of jute. Next comes the cotton. Cotton is also a king of fiber. Cotton is also a king of fiber. We need cotton plants. We have heard about cotton plants. It's a natural fiber. Cotton is a natural fiber and it is also known as king of fiber. Cotton is used to make cotton clothes. You know very well we need cotton for cotton clothes. Cotton requires warm and sunny weather. So probably sunny. Summer season only we can grow this cotton. What are the states where we can find the cotton or where we can grow the cotton? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Western Madhya Pradesh and Punjab. Okay, there we can find the cotton is grown in the large amount. Then oil seeds. Obviously you have heard mother prepares or mother needs oil for each and everything. To prepare a curry, to prepare a side dish, she needs oil. How are we gonna get this oil seeds? First of all, we will get mustard oil, you have heard, groundnut oil, you have heard, linseed oil, sesame oil, or olive oil. So many oils you have heard, right? So, okay, these are all extracted from the seeds, like groundnut seeds, mustard seeds, lesem seeds. These and all have been extracted from the seeds. And sunflower oil also you have heard, from sunflower seeds they will extract. They are used for cooking and they are grown in warm climate with moderate rainfall. Not more rainfall also, not less rainfall also. It should be moderate rainfall. Okay, they are grown in different parts of countries. Then we have spices, that is includes chilies, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom. These are all spices which are grown in Kerala and Karnataka. Very short, children. So today we have finished about the agriculture, about food crops and cash crops. So what are food crops we have? We have rice, wheat, millet, pulses. Rice, wheat, millet, pulses come. Cash crops, what and all we have? We have sugarcane, jute, cotton, oil seeds and spices. Okay, so these are all the crops which we have learned, and we have learned which states they produce. In next session, we are going to start with the next topic. Meanwhile, read the textbook, children. If any doubts, we are definitely going to solve in our interactive session. Bye, children. Take care.